once upon a time, Mumbai having this tag of being a global city. Now, with all these projects that you're talking about, and Devendra Fadnavis working with breakneck speed along with Mr. Shinde, and getting the support from the center, which, as you mentioned, is extremely important. With it, all that happening, do you see in the foreseeable future that Mumbai can again position itself as a global city?
Yeah, I think it's a very good question. I think that we can and we will from an infrastructure point of view in the next 10 years. I see no reason why in the next 10 years we will not be a city that can attract the best global talent. But let's be realistic that some things go beyond just hard infrastructure. Mumbai also has its soft infrastructure. We are a lively city. We have the creative services industry. We have the entertainment industry. We have the financial services sector, business. But I think one component which can dramatically help propel Mumbai to become a really world-class destination for investments, for talent. You have the GIFT City now in Gujarat. It was a very good pilot project, which is the first international finance city in the country. It's done very well. Many companies now are setting up offices there. And I often say that, Mumbai's competition is no longer, with respect to Delhi and NCR, is no longer Delhi or Kolkata
Bangalore,
or Chennai or Bangalore or Ahmedabad. Mumbai's competition today is Dubai in the west and Singapore in the east.
Okay, that's being ambitious.
I think we should be ambitious.
Sure.
And I think that while we are building world-class infrastructure, how do we create an enabling environment for businesses that match what Dubai is offering and what Singapore is offering? And GIFT City is the only city in the country which has actively done that. So I serve on the Finance Committee of Parliament as well. I actually have made a case, and I strongly believe that in India there is space and demand for one more international finance city. And the natural city that should come to is Mumbai.
But isn't it saturated already, Mumbai?
I don't think so. I think you can do it in certain parts of Mumbai. It doesn't have to be in South Mumbai or in another part of Mumbai that exists today. You can create a new city in the hinterland. As I said, we've got access now through this Trans-Harbour link to Panvel, to Uran, to all these areas. We can identify an area there in Palghar, for instance, where we create something similar to GIFT that allows us to compete globally.
Also like Bengaluru did or Hyderabad did 15 years ago. That can happen. Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.